Have you ever wondered how water gets from a plant's roots all the way up to its leaves without any pump? It's actually a really clever system, and once you understand it, it makes total sense. This is Educatopia, where we make biology clear, simple, and just a little bit mind-blowing. So what's xylem? Think of it like a set of thin pipes running through the plant. These pipes carry water from the roots to the leaves. If you cut a plant stem and look inside, you will find xylem tissue, made of small tubes called xylem vessels. They work kind of like straws. Now, here is where it gets interesting. The movement of water starts with something called transpiration. That just means water evaporates from the leaves into the air. When this happens, it creates a cooling force, kind of like when you suck on a straw. That pull helps move more water up through the plant. So why doesn't the water just fall back down? It's because of two properties of water: cohesion, which makes water molecules stick to each other, and adhesion, which helps them stick to the walls of the xylem. Together, they keep the water moving upward in a continuous stream. And that's how plants move water without a pump, using xylem evaporation and some cool water chemistry. If you found that helpful, give it a like and subscribe. And if you're still wondering how plants know when to open or close their stomata, ask in the comments. That's it for today. Keep asking questions, and I will see you in the next one, right here on Educatopia.